Welcome to SQL Essentials for Beginners course. In this first video, I want to talk about the course. So let's start. I want to answer 4 questions listed here. What will you learn in this course? What is the course prerequisite? Who should take this course? And what is the teaching approach in this course? Let's start with the first question. What will you learn in this course? This is a SQL language course or structured query language course. So you will learn SQL in this course. The course name is SQL Essentials. So we will start from the basic, from the beginning. We will start from the 0 of the SQL and take you to the 100 of the SQL. So that's what you are going to learn. Along with, you will also learn few other things like what are databases, database concepts, little bit about data modeling, and whatever other things are necessary to learn, understand, and work with SQL is also covered in this course as a side learning material or as a side concept. But the primary focus of this course is to help you learn, understand, and become proficient in SQL language. What is the course prerequisite? So we do not assume that you already know SQL. We start from the 0, from the very basic. In fact, we go into little more on the lower side of assuming that you do not know anything about the SQL, you do not know anything about the database, and start from the very basic, right? So maybe in the beginning, if you are already familiar with the SQL or know little bit SQL, in the beginning it might look little boring or little slow. But as we help everyone to reach to a common understanding in few lectures, things will be smooth. So there is no prerequisite for this course. But we assume that you are a technical person, you are a computer savvy person, maybe you could be any student or an IT professional, but you understand IT systems, you understand computers, you are familiar with the computers, you can work with the computers, use internet, use browsers, and understand technical terms a little bit. So that's the prerequisite. Otherwise, there is no major prerequisite for this course. Who should take this course? Working professionals as well as students. So even if you are in college aspiring to become an IT professional, work in the IT industry, SQL is a core essential skill for almost every role in IT industry. No matter which domain, which technology, which kind of role you are going to play in the IT industry, if you are going to work in the technical space, SQL is one of the essential skill that everyone should know. So this is for students who are in college aspiring to become IT professional in coming future. Or this course is also for working professionals who are already working in IT industry and do not know SQL or don't feel very confident in the SQL or don't understand the ins and outs or concepts of SQL. They can also take this course, learn the SQL left, right, up and down of the SQL, understand the core concepts of the SQL, and become very proficient in the SQL. What is the teaching approach? For any technical learning, there are 2 things to learn. One is the technicalities of the technology itself. For example, we will be learning SQL, so there are technicalities of the SQL. What is the syntax, how to use it, what are the different terminologies, how it works, where it works, all those things are technicalities of the subject itself or SQL itself. The second thing that is important to understand is how to use it in your job or how to use it in your business or how to use it for solving the problem or where does it fit, right? So understanding that side of where and how to apply your technical knowledge is also an essential thing. So in this course, we will be taking an approach that will give you a problem statement. So you understand what is the business use or the business use case or purpose or the problem that we want to solve. And then we will learn how to solve it using SQL. And along the way, we will learn the technicalities or the technical part of the SQL. So the approach is to help you understand or learn the technicalities of the SQL as well as the problem solving or the business problem solving or use or application of the SQL, so you understand the complete picture and become ready to use it in your job or in your work. So that's what it is, and it's a completely hands-on course and a good course. I hope to see you in the course. See you again. Keep learning and keep growing.